one looks like a water chicken light, and here we go. Here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo, yeah. So we are sneaking up on some bird activity. There is one, looks like a water chicken, waterfowl, something. And over here looks like a long-necked bird. I don't know. I'm not from the bird people. So this one is about to take flight, and here we go. Oh, not really. Almost. Right. Another bird takes to flight. Are you going to fly away, little birdie? Are you going to fly away? There we go. Woo-hoo-hoo, yeah. And it lands right there. I wonder what those two guys are up to. Ta-da-dam. What are they talking about? Discussing about the birds and the bees? That's funny, the birds and the bees. Can we sneak in a little closer on them and listen to the bird talk that's going on? Yeah, how was your day? I don't know, man. It's not so good. Why? There's not so many worms in the ground anymore. I don't know. Where did all the worms go? I don't know. They went to look for other worms. Other worms. I don't know. This does not sound good. Worms eating worms. They should eat something else, like dirt. Worms eat dirt. Birds eat worms. Oh, okay. Well, let's find somewhere else. Some other worms at some other time. Two birds. So something else environmentally is going on here. As you could see, those pontoons, which is supposed to soak up contaminants, I think, from the water, and not properly organized. Maybe it's the aftermath of something, but we could see that the birds are perched on there, hanging out. This guy is stretching. He's getting ready to fly, maybe. This guy over in the distance is warming up or just having fun. But as I said, something environmentally is happening here, or was happening here, or have happened here. We'll have to check the news from 2 months ago or something to find out exactly what had gone on and what is going on. What's up with this guy doing the stretch? Or maybe this is a male putting on a show for a female. Interesting. Two birds, two seemingly same birds but differently striped. What about this? The male putting on a show, maybe, for a female. Leave a comment if you could figure it out. If you know, if you're a bird person and you know what's going on here, those two birds. Here she goes, or here this one goes. Let's see, what does this one do? Does it do something to impress? But this one has just glided away, while this one remains doing bird stuff.